Welcome to the Tiny Tutor. Tutorial number 18. Make 10 extended. Hi guys, it's getting cold outside. We wanted to be comfy and warm today, so we're in our matching hats.
Mine's cooler because it has braids. Hers is random.
I'm so random. So here's the deal. We need to finish this addition chart. This is very important.
What?
Numbers between 11 and 18 are really 10 and then some. So the number 13. It's 10 and how many?
3.
Okay, Mac, I'm going to give you a math fact. Are you ready? 9 plus 4. I'm going to put your flashcard on your little mat here. Can you show me that on the 10 frame? The chart that they're going to make for this game, for this activity, is just a piece of paper, white piece of paper, a piece of construction paper, and it's going to have 2 10 frames on it, and then a place for their flashcard.
It equals 13.
Okay, great, but let's explain to everyone how you did that. So what did you put on the first 10 frame, Mac? Can you explain your logic?
On the first 10 frames, I put 9.
Okay.
And then I put 4 because it's 9 plus 4. Then I took one of the ones from the second 10 frame, and I put it on the 10 frame.
On the first 10 frame.
On the first 10 frame.
And then what were you left with?
And then I was left with 3. And you all know that 10 and 3 equals 13.
Good. So 9 plus 4 is really what you're saying. What you're saying is 9 plus 4 is the same thing as 10 plus 3.
It's a fact.
It's a fact.
Parent.
And do you know one of the best ways to learn, Mac? To teach.
No. The best thing to learn is go on YouTube and you better watch the Tiny Tutor.
Oh, duh, that too. Okay. She's going to write 13 on the back of her flashcard. And then we go to our handy dandy addition chart. Your fact is
6
plus 8. I'm going to put that on her map.
First, you take a big pile of ones. So then you're going to put 6 on the first 10 frame. Now you all know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So you don't actually have to count. You can just do 3.
I'm so proud of her. We're calling her double facts. I do believe the Tiny Tutor is helping you.
Lady Jane. And then you put 8.
4 plus 4.
4 plus 4 equals 8. But this is the tricky part. So then you're going to take 4 from the second 10 frame.
Why do you need 4? Because that's how many you need to fill in the first 10 frame.
I will explain. So then you're going to take the 4, put it. What are you
I'm just laughing. Come on.
Then you're going to take the 4, then you're going to put it on the first 10 frame where the left boxes are.
Good, where the empty boxes were. Yep. And then you're left with what?
10 plus 4.
Which is?
14.
So 8 plus 6 is also the same as 10 plus 4. The answer is 14. And then back it up, parents, with your homemade flashcards. You're going to want to have 6 plus 8 and 8 plus 6. And then you're also going to want to have 14 minus 6 and 14 minus 8 to connect addition and subtraction early on. So Mac's going to fill in the back of all her flashcards. Remember to do it in pencil so they can't see through. And then Mac is also going to fill it in on her addition chart. And there you have it, parents. Make 10 extended.
Bye!
Bye! Stay warm. Get some hats.